Okay. Going to the crawl space now. Yahoo! Oh. I'm sitting on a tack strip. Well, I'm kind of stuck. Okay. Not my smoothest move. Okay. What do we got under here? There's a great beam of oil right there. A little bit of erosion right out of the bat. Got some disconnected electric cable right here on the ground. Is that the receptacle outlet that doesn't work over there? Is that it? Okay. PVC improperly supported with perforated tape. We got some cast iron. See the copper water supply lines right there? They're not insulated. Sure are not. Coming on around here. Glass is straight. Glass is straight. Hey. Want to see me in the crawl space, right? Then also I hate this because the camera sees things I don't see and vice versa. So we got different angles. But the girder is lifted right up off the pier. Somebody added a pier. Somebody's reinforced it. So there's a steel beam in here, which is a good thing. But I decided to put a girder, and it's just lifted up off of the post right there. I've been running a lot of water over here, and I did that on purpose. So how does it look? Oh my goodness! You know that clean out that's doesn't have a cap on it? It's not even hooked up underneath here. It's not even hooked up underneath here. How about that? Any water been leaking out of the overflow drain? No, I guess so. Well, oh, there we are. I see a leak. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. That's why it smells. We've got a little bit of leaking going on here. Got a little bit of leaking going on here. How about that? We got several little plumbing issues. Yahoo. Wow, going right through the floor. Look at that leak. That thing's been going for a while, huh? Okay. There we go. I can't keep this cap on. Maybe the texture will hold it. Man, I got some dust going. Probably not the smartest thing in the world. Alright. Well, let's keep it running. Well, that was just a... That was a score, wasn't it? Did I see water on that drain over there, too? Let's go look. That girder right there is not supported either. It's the same girder. I'm glad they put all those piers underneath there. The house just raised right up off of it. That's pretty incredible. That's not called support. Yeah, that's water on that one. That's the hall bathroom too. We got leaks in 2 bathrooms so far. Look at that right there on that drain. That drain, hillbilly home inspection. Still got a lot of cast iron, got a little frog under here. You know what? If I can get over there, maybe I won't have to go through that other scuttle hole. Lots of repairs. Excuse me. What's this? It's dry under here. I can't spit with the respirator on. And then right here, look at all those nails. I hope they put some extra ones in. Looks like they missed the floor joist completely. Steel joist. There's some electric wires I was talking about. Maybe I can't get to it. Lots of debris, man. Nobody can get up in there. The cable's on the ground. We are not there because if we were there, I'd be seeing some air conditioning duct. Okay. It's getting kind of tacky under here. Means no dust. How about that? Well, there's no room up there. Well, I'm just going to turn this off and turn around and get some still images and see if I can't get into that other access and kind of move around a little bit.